If you're creating an engaging thumbnails to boost click-through rates and your video doesn't deliver on it, it creates a terrible viewer experience. YouTube generally boosts videos of those creators who are consistently trying to build momentum and stay relevant. In 2025, keyword stuffing in titles does not fool YouTube, and moreover, it can actually hurt your video performance. YouTube has changed, and this year it has become smarter than ever. Ranking on this video platform isn't only dependent upon your thumbnail. You need a proper SEO strategy to rank on YouTube alongside some of the highest ranking videos. Watch this video to understand how to grow your channel faster and remove strategies that no longer matter. We'll be looking at the factor that ranks your video number 1. What's the difference between keywords and tags on YouTube? Also, what matters amongst them? The mistakes that might be killing your channel, and a step-by-step strategy to help you get more views and subscribers fast. Be assured that the video and the things you are about to learn are not a waste of time. I have over 15 years of experience working in the field of SEO and digital marketing, and my role as a CEO of Softtrix, we have served over 5,000 plus clients with hundreds of case studies available on marketing success. For the record, my name is Gary. Let's start learning. YouTube SEO, as the name suggests, is the practice of getting your video discovered by the right people on YouTube through smart optimization. This includes picking the right keywords to make a video upon, optimizing title, videos, and tags so that viewers click on your video and stay till the end. Creating engaging thumbnails to boost click-through rates, encouraging watch time and engagement so YouTube keeps recommending your videos, and leveraging caption, chapters, and metadata for accessibility and discoverability. And finally, studying and analyzing your analytics to tweak and improve your content over time. All in all, YouTube SEO is the key to making your videos easy to find, easy to watch, and easy to understand. Now, let's break each one down so you know exactly what to do. If you have spent any time trying to grow on YouTube, you already know how fast things change. What worked a few years ago feels outdated now, and the platform itself has become significantly more sophisticated. The truth is simple. YouTube rewards videos that people actually watch, enjoy, and engage with. The first thing to focus upon is the click-through rate, CTR. Your video doesn't matter if no one clicks on it. CTR is the first signal YouTube looks at when deciding whether to push your video. Think of your title and thumbnail as a dynamic duo. Together, they should spark enough curiosity and interest that someone chooses your video over dozens sitting beside it. The mistake many creators make is stuffing keywords into titles. That might help search engines, but it doesn't convince humans. A good title speaks to people, not just algorithms. And the more clicks you earn, the stronger you signal to YouTube that your content is worth recommending. Second, focus on watch time and audience retention. Getting the click is step 1. Keeping people watching is where the real ranking power lives. YouTube doesn't just measure whether people stay for 30 seconds or 3 minutes. It studies how engaged they are. The platform's AI can now analyze your spoken words, text on screen, and even visual context, which means you can't fake it with clickbait anymore. If viewers leave early, YouTube notices. To win here, you must look into hook people quickly, desirably within the first 10 to 15 seconds. Cut the filter. Every scene should serve a purpose. Use B-roll, graphics, or storytelling elements to keep things dynamic. Understand this very clearly. The longer viewer stays with you, the stronger your video performs. The third most important thing to focus on is engagement signals. Likes, comments, and shares are more than vanity metrics. They are YouTube's way of measuring whether your video sparks interaction or not. This is important because a video that generates discussion gets boosted for the participation that it produces amongst its viewers. People aren't just watching passively, instead they are participating. Some of the most powerful engagement signals are asking a question, inviting an opinion, or creating a mini debate. The point here is to give them something real and valuable to respond to rather than just asking them to like and subscribe. The fourth area of focus you need is session watch time. This one factor is actually very underrated and quite a game changer. The thing is, YouTube doesn't just want viewers to watch your videos, it wants them to stay on the platform as long as possible. If your content leads them into a longer viewing journey, you win. That is why it is important to separate yourself from casual creators and become a strategic one. You can encourage this by creating playlists around related topics, linking to other videos through end screens or cards, building a series where each video flows into the next. When YouTube sees that your content keeps people in the ecosystem, it rewards you by recommending your videos more often. That too for a wide range of audience. Now, let's talk about the second issue. What is the difference between keywords and tags? When people talk about YouTube SEO, keywords and tags often get thrown around like they are the same thing, but they play very different roles. Understanding the difference is the key to focus your energy where it actually pays off in 2025. Keywords are the heart of how YouTube understands your content, but keep in mind, keywords are not just for algorithm. They are for the human being typing into the search bar, hoping to find exactly what you have created. These keywords must ideally show up in three important places naturally: your title and description, the words you actually speak in the video, any on-screen text or visuals that YouTube's AI can detect. Tags, on the other hand, live quietly in the backend. They are the extra keywords you can add while uploading your video. There was a time when they carried weight, but today their role is close to negligible. YouTube has made it clear: audience behavior, clicks, watch time, and engagement matter far more than tags. So, copying competitors' tags or obsessively filling that box is an outdated tactic. Well, you might ask, do they have any use left? And the answer is a little. Tags can help with spelling mistakes or variations. Like alongside best budget cameras for YouTube, you might add cheap cameras or YouTube cameras or common misspellings. They are tiny helpers, nothing more. So, what's the overall take here? Well, YouTube is smarter now. It doesn't need to scan metadata. It listens to your captions, reads your transcripts, and even interprets what's on the screen. That means keywords woven naturally into your script have a real impact. Here's the simplest way to think about it. Keywords drive discovery. They live in your title, your description, your script, and even on screen. They shape how YouTube understands your video and who it shows it to. But smart keyword use isn't about stuffing. It's about clarity. You're telling both YouTube and your viewers, this is what this video is about, and here's why it matters to you. Whereas tags are minor assistants. They are useful for covering edge cases like misspellings, but they won't move the needle on their own. In other words, spend your energy where it matters. Speak your keywords, write them naturally, build clarity into every layer of your video. That's how you guide YouTube and your audience to your content over time. Now, let's talk about some of the big mistakes that are killing channels. Today, if you're doing any of these, stop today, because these mistakes are actively working against your growth on YouTube. First up, you need to get over overstuffed titles and descriptions. Just stop already with repeating keywords or exact match keyword phrases. They are old. YouTube knows you are just doing it for the engine, and even if you trick the engine to show your video on the search result, it won't matter more than the CTR. In 2025, keyword stuffing in titles does not fool YouTube, and moreover, it can actually hurt your video performance. Next up, there is weak hook. YouTube algorithms prioritizes watch time and audience retention above almost everything else. So if you cannot engage with your video, YouTube will ultimately stop recommending your content. Also, the longer people watch, the better you rank. So stop making weak hooks and start focusing on crafting compelling content that makes viewers want to stick till the end. Third up is a misleading thumbnail. Understand that nobody likes to get tricked. If you're creating an engaging thumbnails to boost click-through rates and your video doesn't deliver on it, it creates a terrible viewer experience. This would drive negative signals like bad comments, lower audience retention and watch time, indicating your video isn't satisfying viewers' intent. Ultimately, stop misleading people with your thumbnail. One last mistake and I want to warn you about is inconsistent uploads. YouTube favors those creators who consistently upload fresh content. Creators who have a very irregular upload schedule tend to miss out on support from YouTube algorithms. YouTube generally boosts videos of those creators who are consistently trying to build momentum and stay relevant. Finally, it's time to show you the step-by-step SEO strategy that would rescue your YouTube channel. The first step in building successful YouTube SEO strategy is researching the right keywords. As in web SEO, keywords are what people are actively searching for, and knowing them earlier would help you create topics that are trending. Use tools like Vidic, TubeBuddy and Rapid Tags to search in-demand topics and get deeper insights into search volume, competition and trends. This will boost the relevancy and discoverability of your videos. Next up, script with retention in mind. Before you press record, structure your video properly with hooks that engage viewers early. Focus on delivering clear value and include a call to action. Create engaging content because it is the key to encouraging watch time and audience retention, which YouTube actively recommends. Third step, optimize metadata. Write titles and descriptions that truly define the content you have uploaded. Craft compelling, curiosity-driven titles that include your keywords naturally, and write descriptions that best describe your videos and their content. Fourth, upload smartly. When uploading, leverage features like chapters for discoverability and accessibility. Make sure your captions are accurate as YouTube analyzes transcripts for keywords. Also use end screens to guide viewers to more of your content, boosting session watch time. Fifth, promote outside YouTube. Well, within the first 24 hours of uploading your video, you need views, and honestly, you shouldn't just rely on YouTube for it. Share your video smartly on different platforms to reach out for the right audience. This is important because external traffic often brings real viewers who actually engage and can indirectly help your rankings. Sixth step, review analytics. Finally, always study your analytics to understand what's working and what's not in your content. Use this data to tweak and improve your future videos and double down on successful strategies. The bottom line, in 2025, YouTube SEO is less about hacks and more about creating genuine value. CTR gets you in the door, watch time and retention keep you in the game, engagement signals amplify your reach, and session watch time cements your growth. Everything else is noise. Focus on making content people actually want to watch, and you would want to watch, and YouTube will push it by putting that content in front of the right audience. Well, that's all from my side. I hope you have learned something valuable. If you think you need someone to manage your YouTube account, feel free to contact us from the links given below. If you have any topic that you would like us to cover, comment down below. And finally, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.